Okay, welcome. How are you doing? Well, today I want to talk about why you need to have a change in mindset with regards to money and personal achievements. The money you are looking for, nobody will give you. It is you that would make the money. You ask me why? Okay. Why? I will share with you in this video. So stay with me. So the money that you are looking for, you are not nobody is going to hand it over to you on a platter of gold. You have to attract it. How do you attract it? You attract it firstly by your mindset. So the money you are looking for, nobody will give you. You are going to attract it. And it has to do firstly with having to change your mindset. So the first change of mindset that you're going to have is that nobody is going to give you money, but you're going to attract it. So shift your mind from expecting people to give you money to you generating enough value to attract it. It is one thing to complain about the economy. It is another thing to see opportunity in the economy. Okay, it's another thing to see the problem that you can solve. Okay, acquire skills to solve them and start attracting money. Currently, there are a lot of companies downsizing, no job, no employment, and everybody's complaining joblessness here and there. And then what do you do? So, in everything, what do you see? Okay, I see a global economy that is shifting from big businesses to small business owners. The global economy is gradually shifting from big businesses, okay, top 100 US industries, top companies in the stock market, is gradually shifting from global businesses, big businesses, multinational businesses to small businesses. We are gradually entering, okay, an era that the power, okay, of the economy, okay, will be shifted, will be given to small businesses and medium scale businesses. So what are you doing to position yourself as a small business owner, as a medium sized business owner, okay, to wield some of that power? Okay, so now you need to have a change of mindset that the money you are looking for, you are going to attract it. Okay, I'm a Christian and I get my inspiration from the Bible. In the Bible, there was a story of how Isaac dug well. Okay, and they strove with him. He digged another well. They strove with him. He now dig another well, but and the third well didn't strive with him. He now called it Rehoboth. But Isaac could have relied on Abraham's well and say, Abraham digged well. Let me just rely on Abraham's well. Okay, but no, he had a different mindset that if he needed water, he needed to dig his own well, not relying on anybody's well. So I want to challenge you today to start digging your well. Nobody will give you a well. You have to dig it. Okay? You have to dig your own well. And you have to start doing it now. So one thing is to know that you need to dig a well. The other thing is to be ready to dig it. So stop giving excuses. Start working on yourself. There are a lot of opportunities wherever you are, whether in Africa, in US, in Europe. Stop complaining. The global economy is shifting to small businesses. Find a product or service to render. Okay? Except you become a value in the supply chain, money will not flow to you. So the problem is not that you are not having money. The problem is that you are not providing value to attract the money. In this new economy that is focused on small businesses, you are either producing or uh, providing service. If you are not producing, you are providing service that supports those that are producing. That's how you are valuable. Because currently, as the focus is shifting on small businesses, every unnecessary cost addition is removed. So the supply chain is evolving to continuously eliminate any member of the supply chain that is not adding value. That's just an unnecessary addition of cost. So you cannot afford to just be an unnecessary addition of cost in the supply chain. You need to be providing value. You need to be producing actively. You need to move from consumption to production. You need to stop consuming content to start producing content. You need to stop waiting for things to be given to you and start creating things and giving it to others. So this is a mindset shift that I want to challenge you with today. All right. So if you're wondering who I am, my name is Jide. I'm a pharmacist by training. I have been involved in production of several pharmaceuticals that are safe and effective for people for human use. And also run a personal company, logistics company. Okay, we help small businesses with every logistic needs, especially if you're in Africa or in Nigeria, hoping to ship your items to Canada markets. We help you ship your items, okay, affordably and reliably. Okay, if you enjoy my content, please do share it and follow for more. Thank you. Bye bye.